Did you know that oregano could also help you combat inflammation? Yes, this miracle herb is rich in a compound called carvacrol, which studies published in the Journal of Food Science suggest could help reduce inflammation in your body. Moreover, this little leaf is a vitamin K powerhouse. It's crucial for heart and bone health, and helps in blood clotting. And guess what? Just 1 teaspoon of dried oregano can give you 8% of your daily recommended intake. Don't you think this tiny herb is so underrated? If you are finding these insights valuable, do watch the video till the end because we have a surprise for you. Welcome back to our channel, very okay. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of a herb that's not just a staple in your pizzas and pasta. It's the aromatic, the potent, the extraordinary oregano. But before we go further, let's make sure you're a part of the very okay family. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. Why? Because we're here to give you the keys to a healthier lifestyle, one herb and spice at a time. The power of oregano. Oregano is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with fiber, and rich in numerous minerals and vitamins such as vitamin K, vitamin E, iron, calcium, and manganese. But the real magic of oregano lies in its plant compounds, particularly carvacrol and thymol. Oregano, the wondrous herb. Native to the Mediterranean, oregano has been an essential part of human health for thousands of years, not just as a culinary ingredient, but as a medicinal plant revered by ancient civilizations. Today, science has backed up many of these traditional uses. Carvacrol and thymol, the star compounds. Carvacrol and thymol are potent compounds found in oregano that have been shown to have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They've been studied extensively for their potential to fight bacteria, viruses, and even certain cancers. Oregano and digestive health. Oregano isn't just for flavor, it's a fantastic aid for digestion. In traditional medicine, it has been used to treat indigestion and bloating. So, adding oregano to your meals can do more than just tantalize your taste buds. Oregano, an immune system booster. Did you know that oregano also has antiviral properties? Yes, you heard it right. In a 2011 research published in the Journal of Applied Microbiology, both oregano oil and carvacrol were found to exhibit antiviral activity against the murine norovirus, a virus that serves as a good surrogate for human noroviruses, a common cause of foodborne illness. In addition to these, inflammation in your body can lead to various health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. The good news? Oregano is here to save the day again. This wonder herb is rich in a compound called carvacrol, which has been shown to reduce inflammation. So, why should you sprinkle oregano in your meals every day? The reasons are plentiful. For starters, oregano is brimming with antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your body from damage by harmful free radicals. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry discovered that the antioxidant activity of oregano outmatched even that of apples, potatoes, and oranges. Furthermore, the herb contains certain compounds like rosmarinic acid and thymol, which are known to provide antioxidant effects. One particular study found that adults who consumed 0.3 ounces, 7 grams, of fresh oregano daily experienced a higher antioxidant status. What's fascinating is that dried and fresh oregano have similar antioxidant capacities. So, whether you prefer fresh or dried, both are a great choice. Moving beyond its antioxidant prowess, oregano also exhibits impressive antibacterial properties. In a time when antibiotic resistance is a significant concern, the use of natural antimicrobials like oregano could prove beneficial. A study published in the Journal of Applied Microbiology suggested that oregano could combat bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, among others. Some researchers speculate that this antibacterial ability comes from carvacrol and thymol, compounds found in oregano. Oregano is also believed to support the immune system, thanks to its antioxidant content and its antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off pathogens. A strong immune system is key to overall health, and incorporating oregano into your meals is an easy way to give yours a boost. But remember, while oregano is generally safe for most people, if you have a specific health condition, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider. The humble oregano is a testament to the fact that great things often come in small packages. With its health-boosting properties and rich flavor profile, it's a worthy addition to your kitchen and your wellness journey. Are you ready to start harnessing the power of oregano in your everyday meals? Share this video with your friends and let's spread the word about this fantastic herb. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. That's it for today, very okay family. Stay tuned for more exciting health revelations. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and remember to keep it very okay.